In this tutorial, I'll show you how to report and permanently ban a TikTok account. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. You'll see the homepage with various TikTok videos. Now, uh, find the account you want to report. Tap on their username to open their profile. Once you're on their profile, look at the top right corner and tap the Share icon. This will open sharing options and additional features below. Scroll down and tap on Report, then select Report Account. TikTok will ask you to choose a reason for reporting. For example, you can select posting inappropriate content or other violations like harassment, spam, or fake information. After selecting the main reason, TikTok will ask you to be more specific. Choose the most relevant subcategory that matches the violation. Then tap Submit at the bottom. Your report has now been submitted successfully. TikTok's moderation team will review it, and if the account violates community guidelines, it will be banned permanently. You can also block the account immediately from this same screen if you want to prevent them from interacting with you. And that's it. You've successfully reported a TikTok account. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe to Nulltech for more quick tutorials.